Welcome to India's fastest growing direct selling company. Victus Life Sciences is pioneering health and wellness, driven by a vision to improve lives through the relentless development of cutting-edge and innovative solutions. Given the health challenges and needs within our country, our core mission is to empower individuals by making good health more attainable and accessible for everyone. Your path to a healthier life. At Victus, our commitment to quality and research drives us to create organic products for today's health-conscious consumer. Our premium products are crafted to support your journey, helping you achieve a healthier lifestyle and a healthier you. Victus offers a path to entrepreneurship with opportunities for part-time, full-time, and long-term business success. This is the cash flow quadrant, a powerful concept by Robert Kiyosaki that reveals the 4 fundamental ways people earn income. Discover the key difference between active income, where you work for money, and passive income, where your money works for you. Partnering with Victus Life Sciences means aligning yourself with a trustworthy, ethical, and legitimate direct selling company that is fully committed to your success. Victus Life Sciences has been featured in the Direct Selling Gazette, cementing its reputation in the industry. Victus empowers individuals to become entrepreneurs by eradicating unemployment through a performance-based earning model that offers minimal startup costs, flexible work, and personal development training. With our direct-to-consumer model, you can purchase products directly from us, ensuring a seamless experience without the need for a middleman. Experience unparalleled growth with Victus, the fastest-growing company in India, offering world-class wellness products, a leading compensation plan, and exceptional management. Victus Life Sciences is now a proud member of the FDSA, a significant milestone that solidifies our commitment to excellence. Victus offers 7 rewarding ways to earn, including retail profits, various bonuses, and special rewards, all designed to maximize your earning potential. Discover why retail is the cornerstone of success, as explained by industry giants like Dhirubhai Ambani and Holton Buggs. Using the Victus Virtual Office, you can retail products nationwide and earn Rs 750 per unit. To maximize your benefits, Victus offers 3 distinct V-Zone opportunities tailored to your rank. Associates to freelancers can upgrade to the 300 PV V-Zone. Riders to experts can upgrade to the 500 PV V-Zone. And captains to tycoons can upgrade to the 1000 PV V-Zone along with additional opportunity for each category. Boost your retail order with these special offers. Retail 12 units and receive 2 units free. Retail 20 units and receive 4 units free. Retail 40 units and receive 6 units free. Experience the exclusive benefits of our retail plan and watch your profits grow. Top-performing direct sellers can become the Victus Retailer of the Month by personally retailing over 500 PV, with the top 3 earners receiving special rewards. Consistency transforms average performance into excellence and boosts your retail profits. Earn a community bonus based on the total retail sales volume generated by both you and your team. Here are the criteria you need to follow to earn the Quick and Super Quick Retailer Award. Start fast, stay focused, and finish strong. That's the plan for success. Climb the success ladder with Victus. With 13 distinct ranks to achieve, each with its own requirements and rewards, the opportunity to grow your business is limitless. Start retailing today. Victus offers a variety of ways to earn, from lifestyle bonuses to special reward bonuses, ensuring multiple avenues for financial growth. With a team retail sales volume of 30,000 PV, you can earn a maximum weekly community bonus payout of 3,60,000 rupees. Begin your journey as an entrepreneur today. Simply create a new ID on our website, or for a seamless experience, install the Victus app, available on both Android and iOS. Create your own legacy by making the right decision today. Join Victus, India's fastest growing direct selling company. Together we rise.